On a day when unrest has marked protest on the streets, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now said that there are attempts being made to create unrest in Noida, alleging a conspiracy behind the situation. He has appealed to the workers who have taken to the streets to remain calm and has reminded them that the state government has always stood by them, including during the COVID period. This is the latest reaction coming in from UP Chief Minister in the face of protests that have led to scenes like what are playing out on your screens right now. Vehicles have been vandalized, windows broken. There has been streets that have been chock-a-block since morning. And here is now Chief Minister of UP Yogi Adityanath saying that the government stands with you. Please remain calm.
कुछ लोग उस शांति को समृद्धि की ओर बढ़ने से रोकने के लिए अशांति पैदा करने के भी षड्यंत्र कर रहे हैं। मैं अपील करूंगा सभी औद्योगिक इकाइयों में कार्यरत कार्मिकों से और औद्योगिक इकाइयों में कार्यरत श्रमिकों से भी, याद करिए ये डबल इंजन की सरकार आपके साथ कैसे खड़ी होती है। कोरोना कालखंड में आपने देखा होगा।
Shefali, when UP Chief Minister says that there are some people who are trying to hatch a conspiracy, who is he pointing fingers at?
See, there's still no clarity as to, because we are also learning that UP police saying there could be a larger conspiracy behind this whole incident, as to there are some elements who has pushed this particular protest, and because of which this protest turned violent. So as to regarding who is behind it is still not clear, but certainly the situation right now remains under control right now. You can see behind me there was a lot many workers who were protesting, but right now the situation here seems calm. Right now the cars that you were seeing which were torched have been taken by the police to the police station. The area have been cleared by the authorities, and the workers have also been scattered now. They are not currently at the protest site protesting. So currently the situation remains, seems to be calm, is what we are currently reporting from.
Yes, the situation might be calm right now, but it wasn't the case throughout the first half of the day. What are the reasons that might have led UP Chief Minister to believe that there could be a larger conspiracy, Shefali?
Right. So as we are so in the morning as well, when we were reporting from the protest site, we heard police personnel saying when the workers were started pelting stones, they were saying that it may be not the workers who are actually demanding for the increase in wage, and that there are chances that their demands are valid, but there are other people who might be from the background who are trying to rage the protest, is what the police believe. And we also, through the statement of Yogi Adityanath, the CM of Uttar Pradesh, it seems like that the certain investigation that the police is conducting, it may look like that there could be a chance of some external hand.
We'll wait for the outcome of that investigation, but for now, Chief Minister saying that workers must remember that the government stands for their interests, that the government supports them, and therefore they should not resort to violence. Thank you for joining us with those details. We take a very quick break. All the latest updates on the other side.